If you're a real estate agent and you're currently not using this strategy to generate high quality buyers and sellers, you're literally leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can generate high quality buyers and sellers through this unique process that no one else in the real estate space is currently utilizing.
All right, so this is how you generate high quality leads for real estate and ditch your shit marketing agency. So this video will be extremely valuable, so please grab a pen and paper because the thing that you'll learn today will literally change your business in 2023, 2024. And also this video will be in two parts. First part, I'll just break down the entire system, how it works. And the second part, I'll show you exactly how to implement this system for your real estate business as a realtor in your market. First part of the system is testing the ads, seeing which one works, which one doesn't work in your market. And it's super important because most in what agents do is that they create one ad with one picture, one text, and they hope for the best and they wish that, you know, they'll receive a ton of leads. It will be cheap. They'll get some sellers, some buyers ready to buy or sell today, but often it's not the case. So it's super important to test to see what works and what doesn't in your market. And this is how we do it. So we create the campaign. Under the campaign, we create 3 different ad sets. First ad set is multi-interest, meaning that you'll target people that search online Zillow, mortgage calculator, first-time home buyer, anything that is related to real estate. Super simple. Second ad set will be single interest. So you'll pick one interest. It could be, let's say, Zillow, and that's it when running your ad. And the third ad set is open targeting. So you literally let Facebook do their job and see if they can find potential clients for your business. Once you have 3 different ad set, what I like to do is having 4 different ads under this ad set. Okay, so the ad will be the same all across the board. I'll show you in the second video how to do this. So the first part is just to understand how the system works. And the second part of the video will be how to do it technically with the system. So here it could be a house with a yellow facade. Here it could be a blue house. Here it could be a red house. Here it could be an orange house, okay? You understand the concept, just test different pictures and have the same pictures all across the board. So ad 1 here will be the same as the ad 1 here and will be the same as the ad 1 here. The only thing that change is the ad set. Okay, so the interest here, and here open targeting. And by doing this kind of test, what I usually like to do is run these ads for about 3 to 4 days and see what is the cheapest cost per lead. Okay, so here, for example, if you test this one, you will see that your cost per lead is $34 per lead. Okay, after 4 days, this one is $59, and after 4 days, this one is $48. So super simple. What you do is you just cancel these ads out. So you just turn them off and you let your winning ad set run, and that's it. All right, so now you either have 2 options. So either you use a lead form or a funnel for having your leads information. Okay, so lead form means that you stay on Facebook, meaning that you use that little lead form on Facebook where you can ask questions, you can ask for their name, email, phone number. The little issue with this is that you often receive fake information just because Facebook pre-fills those information with the client account. And as we know, Facebook is a platform that has been existing for many, many years. So it could be like a wrong name, a wrong email, a wrong phone number. And the little advantage with funnels is that you can actually create your own question, and they actually have to type their own name, their own email, their own phone number. So the intention behind the click is better. So it's really up to you, but I saw some agent making really, really great ads with lead form. You just have to ask some questions before just to have a better intention behind the click. And I'll cover this in the second video, but I just want to go over the second part of the system. So when someone clicks on your ad, there's 2 options possible. Option 1, they just view your ad, they click on your lead form or your funnel, they just view what you're doing, and they literally don't do nothing. So they just view your ad and they close the window and they continue scrolling on Facebook. Option number 2 is the opt-in. Okay, so I'll go with the first option here, that is just viewing your page and doing nothing on it. So what we like to do is use a retargeting campaign just to squeeze the juice out of every single lead and having a better specific strategy for your system. Because many agents, what they do is they just run ads like here. They just run like a simple campaign, simple ad set and one ad. And they don't squeeze the juice out of every single lead. By doing retargeting, you'll be able to get in front of those people that never opt in your ad and try them to opt in your ad again with some videos or some pictures. So what I like to do is videos. So saying, hey, I saw you checked out my ad, but you didn't opt in. Here's a little bonus. Here's something here. Here's something here. Okay, so it's really up to you how you want to set up that retargeting ad, but you have to give some sort of value for them to opt in back in your ad. All right, so a little ninja trick that you can do now for the second option. So when they actually opt in, they put their first name, email, phone number. They could also answer some qualifying question if you have a funnel or a lead form, is to do a retargeting campaign with your testimonials. Okay, so it's better if it's video. Pictures also work great, but video always convert a little bit better. So here it could be all your testimonials. So it could be a client that you helped sell their home over $20,000 over asking price. So any kind of testimonials or video that show your credibility and show your expertise will help you tremendously. And what you do with your call to action will be to schedule a call. So they opt in your initial ad, then they go back on Facebook, they'll see some ads of you with some customers saying, hey, I helped this guy sell his home over $50K over asking price. I helped this lady sell her home in 7 days. I helped this guy sell his home in 5 days, whatever your testimonials may be. And your call to action is book a call here to see how we can do it for yourself too. Okay, so something in those words, you can figure out this on your own. Or second option, if you don't want to run ads, again, you don't want to spend more money, what you could do is once they opt in, you'll nurture them through text, email, with video content. Okay, so it's really, really recommended that you nurture them with video content. It could be tips in your area, how to sell your home faster, how to buy a home faster. Any kind of education that you provide them will be amazing for conversion rate. And also the call to action will be schedule a call. Okay, so you can only imagine how high the quality of the call will be if they pass through this entire strategy by themselves. Okay, so they saw your initial ad, they clicked on it, they opted in, they fill out some information, and then they see your ad again from another angle with your testimonials, and they opt in again and they schedule a call. Okay, so this is super important because the quality of your call will be amazing. And instead of talking with 150 people every single month that just filled out a list of homes and they're not interested, they have no idea who you are, they don't have any idea why they opted in, the quality of your leads and the quality of your calls will be amazing. You'll have less people, but the quality, like I said, will be over the top. All right, so I'll just make a quick recap because I know it may seem a little bit complicated if you're a newer agent and you're not that familiar with ads or with retargeting. So you create your initial ad, you create different ad set to test which one works the best. The one that works the best after 4 days, you keep it on. The other, you take them off. So you just turn them off in your ads manager. When someone click on your ad, there's two options. Either they view your ad and they don't do any action, they don't take action, or they opt in. Depending on those two scenarios, if they just view your ad, you do a retargeting campaign saying, hey, I saw that you clicked on my ad, opt in here. So you squeeze the juice out of every single lead. Option number two, they actually opted in, and now you start to nurture them through video content. Okay, so you could either set up another retargeting campaign with some testimonials of yours saying, hey, this is how I helped John sell his home in X amount of time. Johnny, Margaret, whatever you have here, you put them in your retargeting campaign, and the call to action will be to book a call. Second option, if you don't want to do retargeting, you could do the same strategy but through nurturing. Okay, so you can nurture them through email, through text, sending some informational videos, tips, and also some testimonials of your past clients. And your call to action will also be schedule a call. Okay, so this is pretty much it for today's video. If you want me to release a second video on how to implement this strategy step by step, so all the technical stuff, I'll show you exactly how to do it, please let me know in the comments and I'll release the video.
All right, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in partnering up with us to grow your real estate business, click the link in the description and book a call with my team. I'll see you on the other side.